law since the sixth schedule is came into implementation after 1947. There was no amendment on the sixth schedule. Only amendment was for the formation of the BTC in 2003 because for the first time the sixth schedule is accorded. Sixth schedule is established in the plain area because it was for on the hills area of Assam. So first time BTC in 2003 came after amendment, but the core clauses, the core issues were there where we need unit amendment. So for that, the 10 sixth schedule council were demanding, they were engaging in talk and discussion with central government for amendment of the sixth schedule of the constitutions for re-strengthening and also giving more capacity to the council so that they can address and redress and resolve the small issues in the council area, and they can fulfill the objection of the formation of the sixth schedule in those area, because in everywhere where sixth schedule was formed in last 50 years back, 30 years back, in those regions there was social movement. There was movement by different communities. They had different issues. So to address and redress and fulfill the grievances, the sixth schedule were formed in those areas. But even after 30-40 years, for not making any kind of amendment, there are lots of issues that exist. So we want to address these issues because sixth schedule is not a state. It's not a union territory like a very strong constitutional provision is not there. But still, the sixth schedule is formed to protect our identity and culture, to protect our land, protect our traditional values, and also to provide necessary support in those areas which were excluded, which were you seen the disparity. So this time we are urging the government of India and our honorable Home Minister kind enough to consider all the issues, and he assured to form a committee which will look all the clauses, demands, and whatever the issues with the sixth schedules, and they will resolve the issue. That is a good message for all sixth schedule councils.